good afternoon, everyone. A very good afternoon to everyone. Dear all, as you all know, we all are here with competition related state Haryana and Telangana. Everyone is ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, grade 2A will be a part of this game. Your quiz masters are Preeti and Dee, and this is Isha Bharti. So I would like to welcome to all the participants from grade 6 to 8. So we have three teams and it is class-wise competition. You all know that from grade 6, grade 7 and grade 8. Before we start our quiz, I would also invite to Mrs. Isha Bharti ma'am. Isha Bharti ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Thank you very much, Preeti ma'am. Good morning to all my dear students. Now, first of all, welcome to Telangana and Haryana quiz competition. Now, I am share the screen and let's start the quiz. Okay. We are going to start with the first round. Round name is a testing science. Okay. First question will be goes to class team 8. First question is, when did Haryana get its statehood? 1st November 1966, 1st November 1961, 1st December 1966, 1st December 1961. Please give me answer, Abhishek.
1st November 1966.
Yes, absolutely perfect. Next question. Question 2. Second question will be goes to team 7th. Please answer, Aditi. Okay.
Ma'am, northern region.
No question, please, beta. Which region is Haryana located? First option is the. Okay. Very good. Is the right answer. Okay, very good, Anshika. Next question will be goes to team 6. Please, Radhika, tell me answer. How many districts are in Haryana? 20, 11, 22, 10.
Ma'am, 22.
22. Okay, right answer. Bilkul perfect. Next question. Please, Kriti. Who are rulers of Hyderabad in 1724 to 1948? Peshwas, Amirs, Nawabs.
Nizam.
Yes, Kriti. Repeat.
Ma'am, Nizams.
Nizams. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Shabash. Next. Question number 5 is goes to answer Anshika. Give me answer, Anshika. When was Telangana formed? 1st January 2002, 1st August 1960, 2 June 2014, 31st October 1953.
2 June 2014.
Yes, absolutely perfect. बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर है, बिल्कुल. Okay, next question. Arpan, give me answer. Arpan, unmute beta. Okay. Question number 6. When was Telangana merged with Andhra Pradesh? 5 March 1949, 7 May 1984, 14 July 2000, 1st November 1956. Arpan?
14 July 2000.
Mm,
14 July 2000.
Srishti, please give me answer.
1 November 1956.
Okay, very good, very good. ठीक है, okay. Arpan? After the first round, score will be announced to Preeti ma'am. Now we are going to start with the round second. Second round name is Who Am I? Question number 1 is goes to tell me the answer. Nidhi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Lotus. Ma'am, Lotus.
Yes, your answer is correct. So my next question is for Upasna. Upasna, you are ready? Upasna?
Yes, ma'am.
The question is for you. Dash is a native tree of India, has been declared state tree of Haryana. All parts of this, including leaves, bark, leaves, and fruit, are useful. And the concept of this tree is Ashwat. So please tell me the answer, Upasna.
Ma'am, people.
Sorry, repeat again.
People.
Yes, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Now my next question is for Srishti. Srishti, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Srishti. Dash is a state bird of Haryana. It is a widespread breeding resident in most of North and Central India. It is called Kala Teethar in Hindi. May I know the answer? Quickly give me the answer, Srishti.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
No, answer. आपकी टीम में से किसी बच्चे को इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आता है? अर्पण एंड राधिका, you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am.
You don't know the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
black.
The question is yes. ये क्वेश्चन जो है, ये क्वेश्चन मैं पास आउट करती हूँ टीम ए अभिषेक के पास. अभिषेक, you know the answer of this question? Dash is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Yes. Mute
Ma'am.
yourself, Srishti. Radhika, mute yourself. ये क्वेश्चन पास हो गया है टीम ए अभिषेक क्लास 8 के पास. तो टेल मी द आंसर, अभिषेक.
Black Francolin.
Yes, very good. Now my next question is for Abhishek again. Dash is a colorful and vibrant floral festival of Telangana celebrated by women with flowers that grow exclusively in each region. The festival is the pride of Telangana's cultural identity. This festival celebrates the inherent relationship between earth, water and man. May I know the answer, Abhishek?
No, ma'am.
You don't know the answer? So you want to pass this question? आपकी टीम में से किसी को क्वेश्चन आता है इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर? Anybody knows? Anybody knows? Dhritti and Nidhi, you know the answer of this question? Dhritti और Nidhi, आप दोनों में से किसी को आता है बेटा? You don't?
Yes, ma'am. Just one. Ma'am, just one.
इतना टाइम नहीं है. You have only 50 seconds. So you want to pass this question from another team? Team B. Okay, your time. Team A, your time is over. Sorry, repeat again.
Ma'am, Kakatiya festival.
Repeat again. I could not get it.
Ma'am, Kakatiya festival.
Kakatiya festival. That is the right answer. Now,
No, the Katia festival is not right answer. Team B, Aditi, you know the answer? Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer of this question if you know that.
Ma'am, Kakatiya.
No. No one knows. Srishti, your team is know this answer?
Ma'am, मैं
yes.
बताऊँ?
Yes, quickly.
Ma'am, Batukuma.
Yes, that is the right answer. Batukuma is the right answer. Okay, now my next question is for Radhika. Aditi, question number 5 is for you. Also known as Dussehra or Navratri, is an important Hindu festival celebrated in Telangana. The festival, which symbolizes the victory of good over evil, is celebrated with traditional devotion across Telangana. So, answer. Please tell me the answer of this question. Please tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Team C, you know the answer. उपासना, अर्शिका, अदिति, किसी को नहीं पता है आप तीनों में से? Yes, the question is passed on Team C. Radhika, Arpan and Srishti, you know the answer? Radhika, Arpan, Srishti, आप तीनों में से किसी को पता है आंसर?
Ma'am,
Yes, Srishti.
ma'am, Kakatiya.
Sorry, no, this is the wrong answer. Abhishek, this question आपके पास आया है, ये क्वेश्चन पास होके you know the answer? आपको आता है?
नवरात्रि.
No, so wrong answer. The right answer is Dussehra. The right answer is Dussehra. ठीक है, ये जो दशहरा फेस्टिवल है ये तेलंगाना में ही सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Now my next question
Yes,
is for question number 6. This question is for Radhika. Dash is a Hindu festival where goddess Mahakali is worshipped. It is an annual festival celebrated in the twin cities Hyderabad and Secunderabad and other parts of Telangana state, India. The name of the festival is Radhika. You know the answer? Arpan, Radhika, Srishti. Arpan, Radhika and Srishti, you know the answer? Team A, Abhishek, Dhriti and Didi, you know the answer?
Durga Puja.
So, your time is over. Now Team B, Aditi, Anshika and Upasna, you know the answer? Aditi, Anshika, Upasna. I'm repeating the question.
Kali Puja.
No. So the answer is Bonalu. Answer is Bonalu. Yes, Dhriti, tell me the answer, Dhriti.
Ma'am, Bonalu.
Yes. ये मार्क्स जो है ये आपके थ्रू नहीं किए जाएंगे क्योंकि ये मेरे बताने के बाद आपकी तरफ से आंसर आया है. ओके, राउंड थर्ड. ठीक है, ये 15 सेकंड का राउंड है. ये इस राउंड में जो आपको क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं वो 15 सेकंड में ही देने हैं. इसके बाद 15 सेकंड के बाद ये क्वेश्चन किसी भी अनदर टीम को पास नहीं होगा. इज क्लियर? ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर हु इज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ तेलंगाना? अभिषेक, इट इज फॉर यू. Who is brand ambassador of Telangana?
Bhagwat Dayal Sharma.
So, who is brand ambassador of Telangana? आपकी टीम में से किसी और को पता है? Yes, Didi, tell me.
मैम सानिया मिर्जा।
Very good. This is the right answer. The brand ambassador of Telangana is Sania Mirza. Right answer. इसके बाद Aditi. Now next question is for you. Name the state sports of Telangana. Name the state sports of Telangana. Secretary B. Aditi, Ashika, and Upasna. Anyone knows the answer?
मैम मैं बताऊँ उपासना?
Upasna. Yes. Kabaddi.
Kabaddi.
Yes, that is the right answer. Now my next question is for Team C, Radhika, Arpan and Srishti. Which day is celebrated as Telangana Language Day? Which day is celebrated as Telangana Language Day? Radhika, Arpan and Srishti. This question is for you all. Sorry, repeat again.
Ma'am, 9 September.
Yes, that is the right answer. 9 September. Now my next question is for Team A again. Please tell me the answer. Question 4. Identify the picture. Identify the picture. Yes, name the bird.
मैम ब्लू हॉर्न।
Sorry. Repeat again. Dhriti, Abhishek and Nidhi. You know the answer? You don't know? Yes. Now Team B, Aditi, Anshika and Upasna.
मैम इंडियन रोलर।
Yes.
Indian roller.
Yes. Upasna, Team B. Team B ने इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया है. Very nice. Now my next question is for Team B again. Aditi, Anshika and Upasna. Identify the picture. Identify the state animal of Telangana. Quickly tell me the answer of this question.
Deer Chital.
Yes. Spotted deer जिसे कहा जाता है. That is the right answer. Now my next question is for Team C, Radhika, Arpan and Srishti. Name the state flower of Telangana. Quickly tell me.
Ma'am,
the-
Ranvara.
Sorry, repeat
Ranvara.
again. Ranvara. Yes, right answer. Yes, अब round 4. This is the last round. ठीक है. My first question, ये भी राउंड जो है आपका 15 सेकंड का है. पास नहीं होगा इसमें क्वेश्चन. आपकी टीम में से जिसको भी आता है वो आंसर इसका फटाफट से ले सकता है. ठीक है. First question is how many seats does Haryana have in Rajya Sabha? Quickly tell me the answer. How many seats does Haryana have in Rajya Sabha?
5 seats।
Yes, this is the
Five
right
seats.
answer. Yes, this is the right answer. My next question is what language is the word Haryana? What
Sanskrit.
language is the very good? Very good. Now Radhika's team. When was the green revolution started in Haryana? Radhika, Arpan and Srishti. When was the green revolution started in Haryana? Please see, you know the answer. When was the green revolution started in Haryana? No one knows the answer. Team C, you don't know the answer.
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
A, Team B. इस राउंड के बाद से ही मिलेंगे. अगर आपको आता है, if you know the answer, then tell me. अगर आपको आंसर आता है तो बोलिए. Yes.
1960.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1960.
This is the right answer. Now my next question is for yes. Question number 4. Full form of VHP. The question is for Abhishek, Team A, class 8. Full form of VHP. You know the full form of VHP?
विकास हरियाणा पार्टी.
Very good. Now next question is for Team B, class 7, Aditi, Anshika and Upasna. The question is the full form of SJP.
Samajwadi Janata Party.
Very good. Right answer. Now next question is for Team C. Radhika, Arpan and Srishti. Now HVP, the full form of HVP.
Haryana Vikas Party.
Vikas Party.
Okay. Here we end our quiz. यहाँ पर हम अपने quiz को end करते हैं and everyone is waiting for the result. सबको पता, सब लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि what is the result. So before I am telling you the result, final result, how did you find the quiz competition? कैसा लगा आपको? Anyone want to say something about the quiz competition? कोई बच्चा कुछ बताना चाहता है?
मैं बोलूं पासना?
Yes, Upasana, you can.
I am very grateful to participate in this quiz. Thanking to my teachers who give me this golden opportunity. I think quiz is very important because quiz help us to gain knowledge and teach us to how face challenge. Thank you.
That's very good. And anyone else? कोई और बोलना चाहता है बेटा?
मैम कुछ से हमारी नॉलेज बढ़ी है, जिससे कि हम घर पे बैठ के हम सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, हम इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें भी हमें सीखने को मिल गई। इसके अपने स्टेट के बारे में और तेलंगाना के स्टेट के बारे में हमें जानकारी और मिल गई।
That's very good. अब wait a minute. Anyone, किसी और को कुछ बोलना है बेटा?
Thank you. Ma'am, thank you very much for this interesting quiz. Ma'am, thank you very much. Ma'am, this was really so brilliant.
Anyone else? Srishti, you want to say something? Srishti, you want to say something?
Ma'am, thanking you. Thanking you for this quiz, Isha Bharti ma'am and Preeti ma'am.
Okay, before wait a minute. Wait a minute, students. I am preparing the result, so please wait for few minutes. Yes, so my result is ready. So team A, final result, team A class 8 will score is 16 and team B class 7 result final score is 18 and team C class 6 final score is 17. So winner team is team B class 7, Aditi, Anshika and Upasana. So well done winning team and good luck for your future. ठीक है? And with that, our participants, we end our quiz here. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, hope all you are enjoying the quiz very much. Okay, then bye bye today. Bye bye everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thanks ma'am.
वो रिमूव मत करो।